Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the major indexes here, starting with the S&P 500, working our way to the Dow Jones, NASDAQ, as well as the IWM Russell 2000. And I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here on these indexes that we're going to be covering. You're going to want to watch through the end of the video because I have something that I want to give to you as a thank you. And we're going to start off with the S&P 500, and not much has changed from our analysis yesterday. We broke over this resistance here, there, here, there. Finally, we broke over it here, and we broke to new all-time highs. Not much has changed. This is still the support level that you want to be looking for. The trend is very much so in the upward direction, and I do think that we will continue to make new all-time highs, and we can use this level as a level that we can expect a bounce from if it does get hit, and then we'll make a new high from there. Now we'll move on to the Dow Jones, and the Dow Jones, similar looking chart, again like we mentioned yesterday, not quite as bullish as the S&P 500, still obviously bullish, but the one thing that separates the S&P 500 from the Dow Jones is you have these all-time highs right here on the Dow, and this breakout that we experienced just recently at the end of last week did not break us over that little resistance there. So with that said, it did break us over this resistance. You can see it got rejected several times, a lot of tests. We finally broke over that level. So now we're just coming down to retest that level. More than likely that level is going to get a bounce, and then we're going to head higher from here. Next we'll look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, the levels here are not quite as clear and clean as the Dow and the NASDAQ, but I'm sorry, the Dow and the S&P 500, but clearly you can see this is a very bullish chart here. Broke out of this consolidation range right here and has been trending up ever since. We have support down here near about 61.72 to 61.30. So this is a level that I think that if we do get hit, it should get a bounce. And we're right here near these all-time highs, and we should continue to make new all-time highs. And the next one we're going to be taking a look at is IWM Russell 2000. And as you can see, we did get that rejection here. We've been mentioning this resistance here. This was the weakest index of the four major indexes here, and we've been pointing out this resistance. You can see this resistance was created by all this sideways trading. So that's how resistance is created, and support as well. But since we're below this level here, came back up to retest it, so that means it's resistance. So not really a surprise for anyone that's been following along on these videos that we are getting rejected. And more than likely we're going to head even lower from here, especially after today getting that little weakness right there. So big time resistance right here for IWM and the Russell 2000. So as a thank you for watching this video, I have a limited time offer just for you. You've seen the results after watching all of these free analysis videos. You've seen our trade review videos. You know that our analysis is spot on. So you're probably wondering, how can you get these same results? And that's a great question. So for you, we have designed the Trading Analyst Membership Program. And in it, you have the ability to look over the shoulder of a successful and profitable trader. That is myself. You can trade from anywhere, literally, in the membership program because the alerts are sent directly to your mobile phone in real time. You also are going to have full and complete access to the private Twitter feed, and this is where you can get live insights into the mind of a professional trader. So we also share the profitable trade alerts on the private Twitter, as well as the text message alerts. And on the private Twitter feed is where you can ask me any questions, interact with me. It's where I share most of my thoughts, as well as charts and analysis. And it's a great place to get a feel for the market and interact with a professional and profitable trader. In the membership program, you also are going to have exclusive access to the daily member-only videos. The learning never stops in the Trading Analyst membership program. So we don't just give you out these alerts and hope that you can follow along. These daily member videos cover watch lists, where we're preparing you for potential alerts that might happen, so you're very prepared for what's going to happen. We don't just throw out alerts with no preparation so that you can just hope to follow along. No, we're preparing you for each trade. Also, in these member videos, we're covering past trades so that you can learn from those. We share market insights and much, much more. It's very valuable watching these member videos on a daily basis. So right now, you're probably wondering, what is the price? And that is a great question. Well, the Trading Analyst membership program prices are going back up next week to $249 a month, or $899 per year for the annual membership. But right now, lucky for you, we are having a limited time offer for this week only. And in this limited time offer, you can choose either $74 per month. And again, remember, the prices are going up to $249 a month next week. So right now, $74 a month. Or for a more value, you can get the annual membership for a free 7-day trial. And at the end of that annual membership, you'll be charged, at the end of the free 7-day trial, if you decide to continue, you'll be billed $468 for the year, which ends up being just $39 a month, which is just about what people pay for coffee per month at Starbucks. And if you put that in that context, you're getting a great value here. And the best part is, it's free for 7 days. You can try it out. And if you don't like the membership, after the 7 days, you can cancel and you won't be charged a dime. So it's risk-free to sign up and see what the membership is all about. So now let's take a look at what the current members are saying about the membership. It's one thing for me to tell you about the membership program that I've created, but it's another thing for you to hear what current members in the membership program are saying. So this first one is from Ben Stevenson. And Ben says, "The Trading Analyst membership program is exactly what I have been searching for. It's so exciting being able to say that I make money from the markets. I knew bits and pieces of information about options and trading, but nowhere did I find a membership program and an analyst as knowledgeable as Taylor is." This next one is from Chase Taylor. And Chase says, "After jumping around from service to service, I finally found a home at the Trading Analyst with Taylor. He's amazing, and I feel so thankful that I stumbled upon his website. Everything happens for a reason, I guess." And this last one is from Francisco Pinto. And Francisco says, "I absolutely love the membership program so far. It's worth 10 times what I paid for it. I've been trying to turn a profit in the market now and just couldn't do it. The Trading Analyst membership program was the very thing that I have to thank for my account turning profitable for the last 2 years. Thank you so much, Taylor." No, thank you, Francisco. So right now, you're probably wondering, what do you do next? Well, if you're on the website, below this video, there's a Join Now for Instant Access button. What you're going to do is click that button to get started, and you're going to get immediate access to the winning profitable trade alerts, the private Twitter feed, the daily member videos, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the program.